This is what $2.2 million buys you in New York City. New York City is considered to be one of the most complicated and expensive real estate markets in the entire world. We'll get to the complicated part a little bit later. Now I'm going to show you what you can buy for $2.2 million in the heart of Midtown West. 247 West 46th Street is a 43-story condominium development, also known as the Platinum, located on the corner of 8th Avenue and West 46th Street. Welcome to the apartment 1903. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, just under 1,400 square feet corner unit apartment listed for $2.2 million. Upon entering the apartment, the first thing you will notice are those breathtaking views of the city skyline. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer an abundance of natural light throughout. We have a southern and western views from the living room. This apartment has an open concept floor plan design that combines your living, dining areas, and your kitchen to one big open space. This maximizes your square footage and increases the amount of natural light in the apartment. These types of floor plans are relatively new in a residential home design and are becoming more and more popular. The chef's kitchen is outfitted with stainless steel appliances, including a French door refrigerator, an electric convection oven, a dishwasher, and a wine cooler. The contemporary design waterfall edge stone kitchen island separates the kitchen from the living area while maintaining open living concept and additional seating for 4. This configuration is ideal for home meals, entertaining, and uncluttered living. Also, you can use this corner for your home office. The best part is having these views while you're working on your tasks and projects. Moving on, off to my left is the primary bedroom, which is spacious and can easily accommodate a king-size bed. It has a floor-to-ceiling windows and lots of natural light. And of course, the first thing you see when you wake up are the views of the city skyline. We also have 2 large walk-in closets, delivering generous storage. And now we come into the primary bathroom that features a double sink vanity, deep soaking tub, and an oversized walk-in shower. The lights here create a peaceful space that combines the comfort and functionality. Across the primary bedroom, we have a closet for the washer and dryer, additional storage space, and this is where the powder room is located. Let's check out the second bedroom, which also offers an ensuite bath with a deep soaking tub, 2 large closets, and a floor-to-ceiling windows. Another big advantage of living in this apartment has to do with the building itself. When you own an apartment in a luxury building like the Platinum, you also have an access to all the upscale amenities that the building offers. I will leave the link of the listing of this apartment down in the description below. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to reach out for more information. Also, if you would like to learn more about what it's like to own a condominium apartment, I have a video that I will link in the description below as well, where I talk about everything you need to know about condominium ownership, steps to purchase a condo unit, pros and cons, and much more. Be sure to watch that video as well to get a solid understanding of the process and the ownership structure. If you enjoyed this video, just by clicking that like button and subscribing to the channel will be a huge favor. It helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.